you left the room. I'm taking back my life. All you did was use it. You break it, you lose it. Sorry, your time is up. Now I'm coming back to life. I'm taking back my life. Sorry, your time is up. Now I'm coming back to life.
And now, moving on with the short wheel. No! Today, it ain't the short wheel series, guys, cause this time, it's the Hot Wheels series, so I've got the full info. Alright, welcome back, Hot Wheelers. It's your boy DCS, back in another weekend. So today, as I told you, it's the normal Hot Wheels series, and today's car is an old classic. I'm sorry, guys, I'm not getting newer cars, cause yeah, the market's not having them, so I really have a hard time finding newer Hot Wheels, so really sorry about that, guys. I'll try to find better cars, but still, this is also not such a bad car. It's a really good one. 10 on 10 in Rod Squad, not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. This is the 1957 Chevy, guys. Of course, the iconic classic from 57. It is a really good one, and this one is fuel injected. You can't miss out on that. It's the fuel injected Bel Air, guys. It's not written Bel Air, but it is the Bel Air, and it's from male, of course. And yeah, what else to talk about this car? Well, yeah, leaving the car, today I've got the quick quiz, guys. So yeah, moving on to the question. Yeah, so the question is, the side view mirrors of the Citroen CX is used in which car? You know the answer, so comment it down below. I'll check it out next week. So yeah, comment it down below. And moving on to the previous week's video, guys, that was the Ford. Yeah, which Ford was it? The Hot Rod, the 1932 Hot Rod Ford, guys, the cool one. And it had a lot of glitches, if you know my previous video. If you haven't watched that, check it out. It'll be up on the screen right here. So yeah, moving on, there's nothing much to talk about this car. It has the rust body paint. I don't know why, and I really don't like the color of it, like the pink color. It's really awful. I don't like the pink color, guys, but rather than that, it's really nice. Love the wheels, and yeah, let's just discuss that in the looks and details. Here we go for the unboxing. We unboxed the Bel Air, sorry. Yeah, the Bel Air, the 1957 Chevy Bel Air, guys, and this is how it looks. So yeah, the front look, yeah, it misses the tail lamp detailing, and many of the chrome badging is gone, and it's not so good with the pinkish color. And from the top, it looks like a top-notch classic, but at the side, you've got the rusted decals. Yeah, that's not so very impressive. You got fuel injection right there. That's cool, and I love the decals of the Rod Squad. And I don't know how to read this. ELSEGUNDO. Don't know what's that. Comment it down below, guys. Like, what does it say? I mean, how you guys will still say the word, so it's of no use. Anyways, so looking at the back, you have no exhaust tips, and the tail lamps are not printed, and the exhaust is on the side, just like the Hot Rods. That's pretty cool. The interior is not bad. It's got the bench seats, blacked out, and this is how it looks at the bottom, guys. Oh, sorry, upside down. So yeah, here it looks like this. 57 Chevy, fully chromed out bottom. That's pretty nice. So yeah, guys, that's the overall look of the car. Yeah, comment your opinion down below. Now let's go for the info. Now, let's talk about the classic cool Bel Air, the 57 Chevy Bel Air. This is the info. Alright, talking about its top speed, guys. The top speed, theoretical top speed, it's not actually true. Well, the top speed of this car is 167 kilometers per hour, which is 104 miles per hour. Not bad, it is good, I mean, at its time. Talking about the 0 to 60 time, it does it in 8.4 seconds, not bad either. Moving on to the engine is a 283 cubic inch V8, guys. It's called the Super Turbo Fire. It's a small block V8, guys, and there were many other options too, but this was the top end one, so yeah, I had to put it. Well, going for the price, guys, the price is actually ranging from $65,000 to about $125,000 because of its rarity. Yes, it is pretty rare now to find such classics like this. Well, talking about the transmission, guys, the transmission, you have quite an options. First, you have the 3-speed manual, or you can go for the 3 or 2-speed power glide, and there are many other automatics too if you wish to go for them. Well, talking about the horsepower, guys, the horsepower is actually 283 horsepower. It's because of its fuel injection. The carburetor one produces 220 horsepower, so yeah, quite an advantage. Well, talking about the body style, it's a 2-door hardtop. Moving on to its production, the production actually began in 1956 and ended up in 1957, guys. So yeah, that is a pretty short duration. Well, moving on to its length, the length of the car is 4,968 millimeters. Talking about its width, the width of the car is 1,877 millimeters. Going for the weight, guys, the current weight of this car is 1,568 kilograms. Ooh, heavy. Well, that is the end of the info, guys. Now, talking about its ratings. Alright, so looking at all of its performance details and its looks, I give it a 7 out of 10, guys. So comment your rating down below. I'll check it out, definitely. Well, yeah, and also comment down the answer for the quick quiz today. So that is the wrap, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. See you all next week. Stay tuned for other videos. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.